In this lecture, we are going to look at the definition of data processing, and then we are going to look at the Article 2 conditions, essentially what brings processing under the scope of the GDPR. The definition of data processing is as follows. This is any operation or set of operations which is performed on personal data or on sets of personal data, whether or not by automated means, such as, and then there are some examples. This part here up front in orange, this is what you need to focus on for the exam. Examples of processing, and we've seen some of these before, include collection, recording, organization, structuring, storage, adaptation or alteration, retrieval, consultation, use, disclosure by transmission, dissemination or otherwise making available, alignment or combination, restriction, erasure or destruction. Again, anything within the data lifecycle from collection to destruction would be processing. Under Article 2, there are a couple conditions that must be met, again, to fall within the scope of the GDPR. The processing must be wholly or partly carried out by automated means. Where not by automated means, it must concern personal data in a filing system or intended for a filing system. And we looked at the definition of filing system earlier. This is structured personal data that is accessible by specified criteria. For example, it is structured alphabetically or numerically. In this lecture, we looked at the definition of data processing and think of the data life cycle. Again, everything from collection to destruction. And Article 2 conditions, the data processing must be wholly or partly carried out by automated means. And the data can also be in a structured filing system, again, organized in an alphabetical or numerical fashion.